I can't tell you now. I can't tell you yet. Because it is a surprise. It's supposed to be a surprise. Yeah, but it's going to involve 2 of your favorite things.
2 of my favorite things?
Yeah.
Which are?
I can't tell you.
Well, this is my first bus ride in PB. I have no idea where we're going, so I'm excited.
Yeah, and it's the perfect timing because there's no crazy people here.
Nobody. Thank you. The train station that we're at right here just got dropped off because
it's
still
a transit station. You just changed.
Transit? Oh.
Oh, and it's also Old Town.
Old Town? Oh, this is Old Town.
This is Old Town.
Okay. Bus ride was nice and relaxing. It was short.
No crazies.
No crazies. So that's always a good thing. Okay, so next thing's next. We're taking the coaster. Should be here in about 10 minutes. That's what she just said.
No more info.
No more info?
No.
How about, are we going north or south?
The south is only one station. It's Santa Fe Depot.
See, I have no idea how this thing works. So.
Yeah, we go in North County.
North County, all right. So the coaster arrived. We're hopping on, right? What?
Is that good?
Yeah. Well, it's not good, but go ahead and tell me.
I tried to use it at 2 different machines and it had a big X, so it wouldn't let. What does that mean?
What amount did you put on it?
You know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna bring it on.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Good luck with your shot.
Thank you. All right, so here we are, the Solana Beach station. We arrived. How cool was that ride, guys?
So you still don't know where we're going?
Mm-mm.
That's kind of now it's gonna be the, I wouldn't say the most exciting part, but I feel like something that you do not expect and you're gonna be very excited about.
All right, so Solana Beach area. I think this is my first time here.
It's my first time here too.
Is it? Cool. Yeah, I've been in San Diego for about 10 years.
Well, it's not San Diego technically.
Oh, it's not, huh?
No, it's not. It's a different city.
Ah, okay. Well, there you go. So
now you know. Now you know. A lesson from the foreigner.
Yeah. How much time are we going to be spending out here? Probably till sunset or golden hour. Is that the plan?
I don't know. We kind of go with the flow.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go with the flow.
Okay. Now I need a second to just see how to get to the first destination.
Right. Yeah, we're gonna start replanning and make sure that we're on track. So stay tuned.
You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you wanna say. You lay like a warrior. I'll make you shake like a better girl. We fell in love right by the ocean.
Oh my god!
Oh, so we just finished
expect
wine tasting. It was awesome. But we're cutting our time short here in Solana Beach because we want to make golden hour in Encinitas. So we're hopping back on the train.
Encinitas has one of the best beaches in
Southern California.
Yeah, it's so I think we're gonna go and try to explore Moonlight Beach.
Yeah.
And just kind
Go
of
with the
try
flow.
to find a spot to see if you can fly a drone there. And,
Yeah, yeah.
And also there they have very nice downtown, so maybe we can get you coffee. Or
Yeah, definitely need
matcha.
some coffee
I
and
need a
matcha.
dessert.
So yeah, we're gonna do that and hop back on the train. So here we go. So we made it. We're in Encinitas. Had an espresso shot. Vika got some. Was it gelato?
And it was organic non-fat, sugar-free, gluten-free frozen yogurt.
Boom, that's how you know we're in Encinitas. Anyways, we're walking straight towards the beach. It's about an hour and 45 till sunset, but we thought we'd just get here, scope it out, maybe fly the drone. And
It's called the D Street Viewpoint. That's the spot.
D Street Viewpoint, that's the spot.
And I'm wearing my beret, even though it's super hot, but I mean, we just got a compliment that we look very stylish and it's all worth it.
So let's go check it out. Sun's getting low. Got some dope drone shots and some epic, I guess, pictures. It's usually the same style though, on top of the rock with the looking out to the sea. I guess that's our favorite. You know, it's our standard pose. We don't really know anything else. But the tide is getting high, so we think it's best we start heading back to the higher ground. That way we don't get trapped down here. So yeah, we're gonna head north a little bit and see if we can find another location.
Made all our plans down on the sand.
Alright, so we made it back to PB. We're on the bus. Train ride was great. Didn't take too long, but now we're hungry. So we're gonna go get some sushi and get back home and do a little bit of editing. So
I'm tired.
yeah, we're both tired, but thanks for watching and see you in the next video.